WorldCoin to MetaMask. So how can you send money from a World app to MetaMask? Basically here is WorldCoin wallet. So here you have some WorldCoin, and yeah, you can just tap send from here. But basically you also need first, so if you have some WorldCoin in your wallet, you need to transfer out. Tap this button in the bottom right and transfer to your spending account, and then you will have this button send active, and then you just can send it to your to your MetaMask. So yeah, here is but basically you need to be careful because I don't know like which chain is that. So this is a world chain. And world chain is permissionless, open source, and designed for community governance. It's secured by Ethereum SNL2 and engineered for scalability with superchain ecosystem. So built on superchain, and that's basically the idea. So seems you need to then you just need to add it to MetaMask. So you just tap add network page, add network, add the required details, quick save. So you need to enter network name world chain, chain ID 480. So that's basically the idea how you can then just enter edit. And that's basically what it is, how you can add it. So yeah, something like that.